Hello, welcome again. Today, I will show you how you can convert your text into high-standard voice without any character limitation. It's a trick in which we use Bing AI Read Aloud to convert your text into voice. For this, IDM extension should be installed in your browser. When you click on Read Aloud at the bottom, an IDM audio download pop-up will appear. Click on it to download the voice. Certainly, writing a food blog can be both delightful and rewarding. Whether you're sharing recipes, restaurant reviews, or culinary adventures, introduction, authenticity, bootstrapped venture. You can also convert your written blogs to voice easily with this method. So, certainly, here's your unaltered text. A Chinese barbecue pork work, especially with rice. It's comfort food to the max. Feel free to let me know if you need any further assistance. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.